If your freezer is not freezing, here are the top 6 most probable causes. The freezer condenser coils are designed to dissipate heat as part of the refrigeration system that cools the appliance. Over time, the coils can collect dust, dirt, and debris, which will greatly reduce the cooling capacity of the freezer. If the coils are accessible, we recommend cleaning them every 6 to 12 months with a condenser coil cleaning brush. The evaporator fan motor draws air over the evaporator coils to remove the heat from the air. A faulty evaporator fan motor may result in the freezer not freezing. You should check to see if there are any obstructions preventing the fan blades from turning. If the blades do not spin freely, it's likely that the motor bearings are worn out. You can also use a multimeter to determine if there is a continuous electrical path present on a 2-terminal fan motor. If there is no electrical continuity, the evaporator fan motor is faulty and will need to be replaced. The defrost heater turns on several times a day to melt away any frost that has accumulated on the evaporator coils. If the heater is defective, the coils will eventually frost over and cause the appliance to lose its ability to freeze. As with the evaporator fan motor, you can use a multimeter to determine if there is a continuous electrical path present in the part. No continuity means the defrost heater will need to be replaced with a new one. The condenser fan motor draws in air to cool the condenser coils and the compressor. If the condenser fan motor is malfunctioning, the temperature in the freezer will rise. As with an evaporator fan motor, you should confirm the fan blades can spin freely. You can also use a multimeter to confirm the motor is receiving the appropriate voltage, as indicated on the motor. If the motor is receiving proper voltage but does not run, then the component is defective. If your freezer has a thermostat control, the component could be faulty, shutting off the compressor before the freezer has reached the proper temperature. At room temperature, the thermostat should show continuity when being tested with a multimeter. A properly functioning thermostat will show no continuity when the freezer compartment reaches the manufacturer's recommended temperature. If your freezer has a user control and display board, that component could be defective as well. Since this part rarely fails, you should confirm the other components are operating properly before replacing the display board. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance to find the specific replacement part that will fix your freezer.